Okay, let's try something different. Catch 'em all. Catch 'em all. Catch 'em all. Catch 'em all.
Right, next na tuturo ko sa inyo is pag-solve naman ng quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. So dito sa quadratic formula, pwede mong isolve yung equation na factorable, yung hindi factorable. Pwede mong isolve gamit yung quadratic formula. Okay? So hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo kung paano nag-derive yung quadratic formula. Nasa mga books naman yan. So pwede nyo i-research o pwede nyo tingnan. Ang ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo is the example. Okay? So dapat memorize natin yung quadratic formula, which is x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, so yan yung ating quadratic formula na dapat memorize nyo. So ano yung mga b na yan, a, b, c na yan, ano yan? Yan ay galing doon sa ating standard form na ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay? Doon yan ang galing. So si a, b, c. Okay? So kailangan natin i-memorize yung formula na yan. Dapat alam natin yung formula. Okay? So I will give you an example. X square plus 11x plus 24 equals 0. Okay, so mas madali itong gamitin yung quadratic formula kasi medyo mahaba lang. Okay, so A, B, C dapat sa standard form. So A ay 1, B ay 11, C ay 24. Okay? Tapos, substitute natin doon sa mga variables. So, x is equal to, yung negative, lagi nandyan yan. Huwag yung tatanggalin yan. Negative, b is 11. Plus or minus square root of 11 square. Ayun, si b square. Minus 4. 4 is constant. A is 1. C is 24. Over 2 is constant times A is 1. Okay? So, yan. Next. So, simplify natin yung loob ng radical. So, x equals negative 11 plus or minus square root of 11 times 11 or 11 square is 121 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 24. So, I have 96. That's 4 times 1 is 4 times 24. 4 times 4, 16. Carry 1. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1 is 9. That's why we have 96. And over 2. That's 2 times 1 is 2. Okay? So, let's simplify. X equals negative 11 plus or minus 121 minus 16. So 121 minus 96. 96 pala, hindi 16. So 11 is 11. Okay, so 5, 2, 25. All over 2. Next. So x equals negative 11 plus or minus square root ng 25 is 5 over 2. Okay? So, two solutions pa rin tayo kasi nga quadratic equation tayo. So, kunin lang natin yung positive and negative. Okay? So, erase ko na to. Pause nyo lang yung video kung kailangan yung kopyahin. So, x equals negative 11 plus 5 over 2. Yan yung isa. Yung isa naman ay x equals negative 11 minus 5 over 2. So, we have plus, we have minus. Okay? So, that is negative 11 plus 5 is negative 6 over 2. This is negative 11 minus 5 is negative 16 over 2. So, negative 60 by 2 is negative 3. This one is negative 8. So, our solution is negative 3 and negative 8. That is solving quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Alright, so next example natin is solve pa rin natin gamit yung quadratic formula. Kaso mapapansin nyo yung ating equation, hindi pa siya nakasulat sa standard form. So, kailangan pa natin siyang i-simplify. So, sa grade 8 math nyo, napag-aralan nyo na, pati sa grade 7, yung pag-multiply ng binomial. Or kung naalala nyo yung FOIL method. Okay? So, 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times negative 6 is negative 12x. Negative 1 times x is negative x. Negative 1 times negative 6, positive 6, equals 1 minus 2x. Okay? So, FOIL method. Next, simplify. 2x squared minus 13x plus 6 equals 1 minus 2x. So, maalala nyo sa quadratic equation natin, dapat naka-equal to 0. So, yung mga term na to, ililipat natin sa left side. So, 2x squared minus 13x plus 2x plus 6 plus 6 minus 1. So, positive 2x, negative 2x, naging positive 2x. Positive 1, naging negative 1. Equals 0. So, 2x squared minus 11x plus 5 equals 0. So, ito ngayon yung ating quadratic equation na ating isa-solve. So, simplify muna natin. Okay? So, let's start. Our A is this one, 2. Our B is negative 11. Our C is 5. Okay? So, quadratic formula, x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay? So, x is equal to negative b. So, negative of negative 11. Huwag yung tatanggalin yung negative agad doon. Sabihin natin yung negative 11 kaya may nakasulat na negative 11 pa din. Plus or minus b square. So, negative 11 square minus 4 times a is 2 times c is 5. Okay? Over 2 times a, or a is 2. So, 2 times 2. Next, let's simplify. So negative times negative is positive 11. Plus or minus negative 11 times negative 11 is 121. Minus 4 times 2, 8. Times 5 is 40. Okay? 40. All over 4. That's 2 times 2 is 4. So next. So 11 plus or minus square root of 121 minus 40, we have 81 over 4. So 11 plus or minus square root ng 81 is 9 over 4. Okay, so two solutions pa rin. Kasi nga quadratic equation tayo. So plus minus, so 11 plus 9 over 4. Yung isa 11 minus 9 over 4. So 11 plus 9, we have 20 over 4 or 5. So 11 minus 9 is 2 over 4 or 1/2. So ito yung ating solution. 5 and 1/2.